Welcome back to another quick guide. Today I'll teach you how to use ChatGPT effectively for studying. ChatGPT can be a powerful tool to enhance your study sessions. Here's how to use it effectively on your PC. First, let's access ChatGPT. Open a web browser like Chrome, Edge, Firefox, etc. Visit the official ChatGPT platform, then make sure to log in. Next, plan your study goals. Before using ChatGPT, define what you want to achieve, examples, understand a topic, summarize a chapter, solve problems, generate flashcards. Next, ask specific questions. Be clear and direct. Instead of asking vague questions, frame them with specifics. Example of vague and specific. Here's the vague. Tell me about history. Specific. Summarize the causes of World War II. Ask follow-up questions. Use iterative learning by asking for deeper explanations or examples. Next, use for summarization. Copy a section of text from your study material, then paste it into ChatGPT, and ask for a summary. Example, can you summarize this article in 100 words? Next, create study aids. Generate flashcards. Example, create flashcards for these biology terms. Practice questions. Example, write 5-minute multiple choice questions about photosynthesis. Next, simplify complex concepts. Ask ChatGPT to explain challenging topics in simpler terms. For example, explain quantum mechanics to me like I'm 12. Next, solve problems. Math and science problems. Provide the question and ask ChatGPT to show step-by-step solutions. For example, solve this equation. Programming help. Share code snippets for debugging or learning new programming concepts. Next, research assistance. Use ChatGPT to gather ideas or brainstorm topics for essays and projects. For example, what are some research topics in environmental science? Next, organize your study schedule. Ask ChatGPT to create a study timetable. Example, help me create a study plan for my upcoming exams. Next, learn language. Practice vocabulary and grammar. Example, teach me 10 common Spanish phrases with translations. Have conversations in the language you're learning. Next, review and proofread. Paste your essay or project into ChatGPT. Ask for corrections, improvements, or suggestions. Example, proofread this text and suggest improvements. Then once you hit enter, you will get the results. Lastly, save your work. If ChatGPT provides valuable notes or responses, copy the text by clicking this icon. Then just paste it into a document, Word, or Notepad for future reference. And that's all for now, folks. Thanks for watching.